ChatGPT, your key to making money online. Are you looking for an innovative way to make money online? ChatGPT may be the answer you've been searching for. With its revolutionary technology, ChatGPT is quickly becoming the go-to platform for those looking to monetize their time and efforts. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll uncover the top ways to unlock the power of ChatGPT and maximize your potential earnings. Let's get right to it. 1. Creating captions for social media marketing. One of the most popular uses for ChatGPT is creating captions for social media marketing. With its ability to understand context and generate natural-sounding text, ChatGPT can quickly and easily generate captions that will help you promote your brand on social media. Simply provide ChatGPT with a few key pieces of information, such as the product or service you're promoting and the target audience, and let it do the rest. If you also need the caption for a picture, you can just instruct the AI with words that describe the picture, after which you can use the generated caption. You can also use it to generate hashtags that complement your caption. 2. Writing scripts for a faceless video. Another great way to monetize ChatGPT is by using it to write scripts for a faceless video. This type of video typically features an animation or other visual element, but no live actors. ChatGPT can help you create a script that will capture the attention of your audience and keep them engaged throughout the video. To do this, you can instruct the AI to generate a video script on the topic you choose to work on. You can then add voiceovers to the video or get someone else to do it for you. As your channel grows, you can monetize it by accepting to run ads or promotions on it. 3. Blogging. ChatGPT can also be used to write blog posts. With its ability to understand the topic and generate relevant content, ChatGPT can help you produce high-quality blog posts that will keep your readers engaged and coming back for more. Choose a blog title and instruct the AI to first generate the outline. Then with each outline, instruct the AI to generate content on each. However, content generated should be edited and checked for plagiarism. 4. Writing books that can be published on Amazon. ChatGPT can be used to write a book. It can help you create a compelling story, generate characters, and create a believable plot. All you need do is to create an outline using ChatGPT first, then develop each outline of the book. With its ability to understand language, it can also help with editing, proofreading, and formatting. Once you have your book ready, you can publish it on Amazon. 5. Language translation services. ChatGPT offers to translate text from one language to another for businesses or individuals looking to communicate with a global audience. Not only is ChatGPT's language translation service accurate and fast, but it's also available 24/7, so you can get your translations done on your schedule. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can be used to monetize in various ways, from creating captions for social media marketing to writing scripts for a faceless video to blogging and writing books. With the right strategy, you can put ChatGPT to work for you and earn money in the process. I trust you found this video helpful. Remember to hit the bell icon to be notified of videos like this and to like this video. Bye. See you in the next video.